I got many wickets.
You haven't?
No.
No, that's not
Got
good. 3 wickets, that's all.
Yeah, 4 matches. Didn't give many runs. That's a bonus. Had a good batting couple of last week.
Yeah, it was like last 3 weeks, something like that.
Very shortly, the moment of any play to bring you. So
Very cold
from here, for now, for rather
It's not bad, it's almost going to be like
No, it's
so, I don't know if to catch it.
we have our right
Martin Jenkins,
and guys.
Michael Vaughan,
St Giles last year, I remember last year, yeah. That's where Woody left us.
We played this year and great.
Play the game with it.
Same like wet weather. You won't have a game. It's horrible. You can't, can't do anything.
Now, this month, BBC Radio 4 is presenting a number of programmes showcasing his work.
Oh, this is brilliant.
Novelist, playwright, and broadcaster.
Well done, boys, well done.
London, 6. The play takes place
Some
on
video.
evening in a house
What?
in
Some video.
Memphis, just before the outbreak of the First World War. Give Mr. Kraft some pork. Yours is pork, Carol. Exactly the same as your father gets. It'll be all right.
An Inspector Calls by J.B. Priestley.
Government pride. I don't know.
Toby Jones as Inspector Gould.
Jolly well think not, Gerald. I hate these know all about Ford. It's like one of those purple-faced old men.
Now, Miss Sybil, you was taking it for tonight, Special occasion.
Stolen money. You must drink our health.
Very well, just a little. Thanks.
Allowed to do.
Thanks, Mitchell. All right, Edna. I'll ring from the drawing room when we want coffee. Probably in about half an hour.
Oh, well, this is very nice. This is very nice. Good dinner too, Sybil. Don't you agree, Gerald?
How short's the boundary?
Sitting Gerald like one of the family. I'm sure he won't object.
Go on, Gerald. Just you object.
Wouldn't dream it. In fact, I insist on being one of the family now.
I'm surprised actually, I thought there'd be a bunch
Of
of
course she does.
Yeah, except for last summer we never
Oh
came
my
here.
god, MCI when we played it too.
I told you, I was awfully busy at the work.
Have you got it?